Meaning of hand grenade.
Hand grenade.
Hand grenade.
Hand grenade.
Hand grenade. A hand grenade is a small explosive device that can be thrown by hand and is designed to cause damage or destruction. The term hand grenade usually refers to a fragmentation grenade, which produces a lethal blast of shrapnel that can injure or kill individuals within its blast radius. Hand grenades are commonly used in military combat as a means of attacking enemy targets or defending one's own position. They are also sometimes used by law enforcement officers in situations where deadly force is required to neutralize a threat. Overall, hand grenades are highly dangerous weapons that require proper training and handling to use safely.